Oyekani billionaire, oye tangira, te mane maisiye. Biyangane ke upai, ikai na nuya, naruni paya ikapesi. Tirati yang ayekona ndikiya, te maisini mani yatangi.
The show like Oprah, I will be the host of Everyday Christmas. Keep cherry your wish list. I probably pull like Angelina and grab it, and a double bunch of baby that ain't never had shit. Give away your female shit just like Haley this this. And that's but not least, cause I'm part of that last list. Been a government that I've been seeing cool, so you can go me driving close minus the ho. Yeah, get it? I probably win so we can street ahead, and then two will do a lot more than being a dead. Yeah, can't forget about me. Everywhere I go, I have my own female. With the president, banking on the delegate. Then I compliment him on the spot to your AKV. Those are couple meeting in the air, just for AKV. I keep the vibe training, physically separate. Yeah, how beat the whole new tax bracket. We'll be creation, let me take a crack at it. I probably take whatever left and just spit it up. So everybody that I love can never go.